Precision pins are essential components used across industries, from automotive to medical devices. Manufacturers must balance cost and quality, ensuring reliability without unnecessary expenses. The choice of materials plays a major role in determining both performance and cost. High carbon steel, stainless steel, and specialized alloys each offer distinct advantages, such as corrosion resistance, strength, and wear resistance. Selecting the right material depends on the demands of the final application. Manufacturing techniques directly affect precision and efficiency. Processes such as cold heading, centerless grinding, and heat treatment help achieve tight tolerances while maintaining cost control. Selecting the most efficient method depends on production volume, design specifications, and material properties. Inspection and testing are necessary to ensure consistency. Variations in diameter, surface finish, or hardness can impact performance. Through advanced measurement tools and automated inspection systems, manufacturers can minimize defects and improve reliability. Efficiency in production is another key factor. Optimizing material usage, reducing waste, and improving workflow can significantly lower costs without sacrificing quality. Automation and process refinement help achieve this balance. Hartford Technologies provides expertise in precision pin manufacturing, offering solutions that meet both performance and budget requirements. To learn more, visit our website.